I was drafted out of high school to play professional baseball, and I spent a few years doing that. After that was over, ended up going to work for a national packaging company out of Cleveland, Ohio called Automated Packaging Systems. I spent 20 years with them, and that was a phenomenal experience setting me up for starting Summit Packaging.
What makes Summit unique in the marketplace is our systems approach. We are going to be able to provide automation, materials, and the technical service.
So we really offer a value-added system to the companies that we work with, and that puts you in a place of more problem solving than actual selling, because we're going in asking a lot of questions and trying to get into what their struggles are.
By working with somebody at Summit Packaging, what you're going to find is you're dealing with a consultant, somebody that is expert in what they're talking to you about and cares and has passionate about what they're representing. As a distributor, we are going to have a variety of options for you. We're not going to be locked into a single solution. We have experience in the industrial side. We've got experience in food processing, whether that's agriculture, seafood, red meat, baked goods, on and on. We've got a wide variety of experiences in multiple markets, so that's expanded our perspective. It's also expanded, frankly, our offering. Our vendor base is wider, and our degree of options that we can provide any one customer is greater because of it.
We're never really selling, it's really always problem solving. And even through that process, one of the enjoyments that I get out of it is the relationships that get built over a number of years. And I have clients today, after 40 years in the industry, that I still work with, and they're still close friends of mine. And that means a lot to me.
At Summit, we understand innovation can be daunting, it can be intimidating. What we look to do is provide you a team of experts to take the fear out of that situation for you. We've got a lot of experience and a lot of applications and are really confident in our abilities to provide the right solution to you and to ultimately help your company grow.